9 gadgets you will want to buy immediately. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, we are going to walk you through 9 gadgets you will want to buy immediately. We all wanted once to be a superhero since we watched those funny and really attractive Marvel films or any other superhero films out there. That's why in today's video, I reveal some real and interesting gadgets that will allow you to feel like a real superhero. I'm not talking about those fake and easy to destroy gadgets. Contrarily, I will introduce to you some real and durable superhero gadgets. So let's jump into the video. I really hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. 9. Propane lightsaber. Some time ago, a famous YouTuber and at the same time a huge Star Wars fan came up with the idea to create this plasma lightsaber. The main purpose of this project is to create a blade capable of controlling the propane lights so it can create a real sword. This propane is guided by electromagnets, but that wasn't enough to recreate the Star Wars blade because it wouldn't be able to chop stuff up. The key to making the blade work was guiding the plasma through the lightsaber that could be fixed with laminar flow. And that's not all. With this amount of plasma flow, the sword will need more powerful batteries than the LiPo batteries that were used to power the previous lightsaber. That was solved by the YouTuber using liquid propane gas to power the lightsaber. This is an item that could be acquired if the YouTuber decided to put it on the market. Nevertheless, in Tech Peek, we think that this item will be used for personal use by the YouTuber. 8. The Pyro shooter. Have you ever wanted to have a fire shooter in your hand? Well, this gadget can do just that. With this item, you can shoot fire from your empty hands, just like in the films. I'm talking about a small and discreet device that allows you to shoot fire thanks to the barrels filled with flash paper. It's a specially treated tissue paper that burns itself very quickly, avoiding every risk of burning yourself when you use this tool. It's also recommendable to not use this as a toy, but as a real fire shooter. Besides, this gadget can be created to shoot fire in a safe way. You must take as many precautions as possible. It's out of a word that it has to be used by adults only, and keep it as far as possible from the kids. There are some versions of this product already in the market for a price of $149 in its more basic version. 7. Curatus Human Ride Robot. We all listen to some amazing war robots, especially those who watch Transformer films. We also listen to some commercial robots from Boston Dynamics, for example. But we never listen to a real robot that can actually be acquired by the citizens from every part of the world. Curatus Robot is an army robot that can be controlled by anyone. This gadget can be bought on Amazon for a very expensive price. In Tech Peek, we recommended being really cautious if you buy this product because it's really dangerous as a result of its lethal features like the real guns it comes with. In fact, this robot is available on Amazon Japan for the price of $1 million, according to the ABC article. It weighs around 5 tons and is 13 feet tall. Quite big for a regular robot, but this machine has nothing similar to regular. 6. Underwater car. An underwater car is an astonishing gadget I would definitely buy. Apart from being extremely secure to use, it's also really funny to drive a car underwater, just like a submarine. This product remains still a project, but with high chances to becoming a real product that can enter the market soon. The car is designed to drive both roads and underwater. By pushing a button, you can drive up to 10 meters under the sea. With the help of some innovative technology, the car manages to drive under the water. An amazing feature of this car is that it's electric, which transforms it into an eco-friendly product. No information about its price has been released yet, as the company producing it still works on the technical side of the project. According to its features and technical information, I personally expect the price to be more expensive than a regular car. 5. Invisible Cloak. If I say to you that you can pick one superpower, which one would you choose? I personally think that most of you would pick the invisibility superpower. Well, that superpower can actually be achieved with this amazing gadget. It's about a cloak that concedes you the ability to be invisible by using it whenever you want. We all saw one in Harry Potter and said, "Wow, I want to be invisible." Well, that now is possible by buying this gadget. This cloak was made by a group of Japanese scientists and fans of the invisibility cloak from Harry Potter and decided to actually recreate the cloak from the film. The product remains a project that can erupt the market soon. It works by using retro-reflective projection technology, making it possible for you to be invisible by using it. 4. The Batmobile. When we talk about superheroes, we can't avoid mentioning Batman, the fantastic superhero from Gotham City, and its extremely attractive car, the Batmobile. Like in every film, he has some incredible fans that put themselves the objective of recreating the car to use it in the real life. A real car that seems the most alike to the Batmobile. It isn't exactly like Batman's car because that's almost impossible, but its creators tried to do it the most similar to it. It has the size of a golf car, but it definitely doesn't look like a golf carry, but more like a Batmobile. The car has an electric motor that can achieve 38 miles per hour in its maximum capacity. So don't expect to run like Batman in this car because you will definitely break it. For the Batman fans, this could be more like a collection car or just to have it in your house, but definitely not to put it out there in the streets. 3. SpiderMan Web Shooter. In addition to Batman, Spider-Man is also a superhero. We all heard about it and we also know that incredible ability we all want, shooting spiderwebs to our enemies. It's kind of a watch you can attach to your wrist and just like that, start shooting spiderweb. Since the first Spider-Man film, some of the biggest toys companies have tried to imitate the device to make toys that imitate the SpiderMan Web Shooter. But no one has ever managed to make such a professional and durable product available for the adult fans of the film series. It's available on Amazon for just $25. The spider web sticks to the wall and it shoots it with incredible strength. 2. Bulletproof Suit. As we all know, a bulletproof jacket can be acquired by everyone, from civilians to the city police to the military. There is just one problem, it's too obvious you wear it, and that's what makes this suit so unique. It's not only elegant, but it's also discreet. You can walk through the city and the people won't even imagine you are covered with a bulletproof suit. The only problem with this suit is its price. It costs around $25,000, but if you give it the use it deserves, it's definitely worth it. Not only superheroes want to have bulletproof protection, but also humans. No one wants to die, right? But also, no one wants that the other knows you are wearing a bulletproof suit. 1. Iron Man Armour. To conclude, I bring you the Iron Man Armour, my personal favourite. I not only love Iron Man, but I also love his passion for technology, and that's what brings him to my top 1 superhero gadget in this video. It's not a simple costume. The armour is fully functional. It's the best replica I've ever watched because it's almost exactly like in the film. Some people believe that the US Army will start to use this incredible suit in the upcoming years because of its cutting-edge technology used when it was designed. I personally think that the US Army will adapt the suit using this technology, but not its appearance. They will not look like an Iron Man army. It would be amazing to see an Iron Man army, by the way. This suit remains still like a project and it wasn't released to the public nor the US Army, obviously. But what we definitely know is that we are in front of an expensive item and a top-of-the-range one. Summing up, I covered some of the best superhero gadgets and projects that can be found in the next years in the market. From Iron Man to Batman to Spider-Man, some amazing products that we can all find on Amazon in the near future. That's a wrap for the 9 gadgets you will want to buy immediately. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you loved this video, I highly recommend that you watch this video here, on the top left, about the top 5 2-in-1 laptops of 2021. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.